Hello, I'm Fadzli. Welcome to my house. Okay, I met Sylvia. Basically, she's the second reno company because I've been scouting for an interior designer to vamp up my house last year. So I got a call from John and I actually went personally to his office. From there, the chemistry was very good. I was introduced to Sylvia too. And initially, the house concept wasn't my idea. I was opting for something more Scandi-industrial, but Sylvia convinced me that something white and more practical will suit my lifestyle, and I actually did not regret a bit. I guess it's everything, because it's white, grey, and just a splash of black. That is something that I actually wanted. I shouldn't say that any one of it is a favorite because I like everything. You need to have lots of patience. I guess finding the right interior designer is like finding your own spouse. You need to have the chemistry and you have to have that basic trust with your designer, because initially, because this is my first house, so I worried throughout the renovation process. But new Konceptz has given me the assurance that everything will turn out fine, and they even go the extra step to make sure that my house is in a very good condition when they hand over to me once the renovation is completed. Definitely, I will recommend new Konceptz because the team has been very caring. They actually listen and give you advice. Not only the basic renovation process, but also the styling tips and what you should buy or not for a very small house. Thank you for coming. See you again. Bye.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.